Hey Popsters! Welcome back to another session where we dive deep into the essentials of fitness. Today let's talk about something incredibly crucial yet often overlooked: exercise form. Good form is so important for safe and effective workouts. It's not just about lifting weights or doing cardio, it's about doing it right. Proper form helps you target the right muscles and avoid injuries. Imagine trying to build a house without a solid foundation. It just wouldn't work. Think of it like this. You wouldn't bake a cake without following the recipe, right? Each step is crucial to get that perfect cake. Similarly, when you use proper form, you get the most out of your workout. It's about quality over quantity. You'll build strength, tone your muscles, and feel amazing. The results will speak for themselves. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Efficiency is key to making progress without overexerting yourself. So let's break down some common exercise mistakes and learn how to do them right. Understanding these can make a huge difference in your fitness journey. Get ready to feel the burn. But remember, it's a good burn that comes from doing things the right way. Let's get started and make every move count. Crunches and bicycle crunches are excellent exercises to work your abs and strengthen your core muscles. However, people often make mistakes that can reduce the effectiveness of these exercises or even cause injury. One common mistake is pulling on your neck while doing crunches. This can strain your neck muscles and lead to discomfort or injury. To avoid this, keep your hands by your ears, not behind your head. This helps to ensure that your abs are doing the work, not your neck. Another frequent mistake is performing the exercises too quickly. Rushing through your workout can compromise your form and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Instead, slow down and focus on engaging your abs with each movement. Controlled, deliberate motions are key to maximizing the benefits of your workout. For bicycle crunches, it's especially important not to rush. This exercise targets your obliques and requires precision. Make sure to twist your body and bring your elbow towards the opposite knee in a controlled manner. This ensures that you are properly engaging your oblique muscles. Feel the burn in your obliques. Remember, when it comes to AB exercises, quality is always more important than quantity. Focus on proper form and controlled movements to get the most out of your workout. Glute bridges are awesome for your glutes and hamstrings, but you need good form. Don't arch your back. Keep your core engaged. Squeeze your glutes at the top of the movement. This exercise is great for your booty and for protecting your back. Make sure you feel it in the right places. Section 4. Bird Dog. Finding your balance for core strength. The bird dog exercise is amazing for your core, but it's easy to do it wrong. Don't let your back sag. Keep your core tight and your back flat. Extend your arm and opposite leg, keeping them straight. This exercise is all about balance and control. You'll feel your core working hard. Section 5. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most fundamental exercises for building upper body strength. Mastering the basics for upper body power. This exercise is simple yet incredibly effective. Push-ups are a classic exercise for a reason. They can be done anywhere, anytime, and require no equipment. They work your chest, shoulders, and triceps. These muscles are crucial for many daily activities and other exercises. Don't let your hips sag or your back arch. Incorrect form can lead to injuries and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Keep your body in a straight line. Imagine a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower down until your chest touches the floor. This ensures you are getting the full range of motion. Push-ups can be tough, but they're super effective. They build endurance and strength over time. Start with your knees on the floor if needed. This modification helps build strength until you can do a full push-up. You got this. Keep practicing and you'll see improvement. Section 6. Clamshells. Small movement, big results. Clamshells target your outer hips and glutes. They may seem easy, but form is crucial. Don't let your hips rock back and forth. Keep your hips stacked and your core engaged. Lift your top knee, keeping your feet together. This exercise is small but mighty. You'll feel the burn in your outer hips and glutes.